Okay, this is Michael. I'm going to go over the operation of a few special features in this particular van, unit W3514. It's 105 degrees here today, so sorry about the fan being so loud, but I might pass out without it running. Okay, first and foremost, this van has some very amazing upgrades above and beyond any regular van. Leather wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel. First year to have heated steering wheel, 2025. Complete redesign of the steering wheel is also in 2025. Power seats, memory seats, heated seats on both sides. Seat upgrade to the comfort. Big screen, and all the computers behind the big screen have been updated for 2025. We configure some of our vans with what's called an overhead bird's eye view radar camera, which is a premium camera system like the 360 camera. It's a bird's eye view, but it's different, and I'm going to show you how. So when you activate this camera, rather than having a photo image of the camera here, you've got a radar enhanced view. So, you know, a lot of people like the 360 camera because they can be parked and camped and they can spy on everything that's going around. This is actually a more practical solution. If you notice, when I turn the wheel, it's making some calculations based on geometry and such to help you be able to park better and more accurately. And then in every field here, you're going to have radar warnings if you're getting anything that's near the van. This is an enhanced parking bird's eye view, radar enhanced, not the photo enhanced 360 camera. A lot of people don't know the difference. I'm going to say the 360 camera is more for spying around when you're parked. This is more for practical day-to-day use. Parking, look at the clear image you have. Also, keep in mind this particular van has a digital rear view mirror, which a lot of vans with 360 camera do not have. This means you do not even have to have windows in the back. It will have a digital representation using the camera in the back. But you can flip the switch and have a regular camera as well, or a regular mirror as well. Very cool. Leather wrapped is an option that most vans don't have. Plastic steering wheel is kind of hard and slippery. This is very refined, like a sports car.